Namaskar. We are covering the most important questions that might be asked in the upcoming UPSC PT examination 2021. In this sequence, it is today the Dardanelles Strait will be mentioned and the aspects will be done in this video, and this place is significant for civil service aspirants. The type of questions that might be asked are: number 1, Dardanelles Strait connects A. Northern Sea and Ionian Sea, B. Black Sea and Aegean Sea, C. Ionian Sea and Aegean Sea, D. Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Second, who commands Dardanelles Strait? A. Russia, B. Egypt, C. Greece, D. Turkey. 3. Bosphorus Strait connects A. Mediterranean and Black Sea, B. Black Sea and Sea of Marmara, C. Aegean Sea and Black Sea, D. Aegean Sea and Ionian Sea. Fourth, why so it is that sea snout and sea mucilage piled up along the coast of Sea of Marmara? A. Due to the presence of phytoplankton in the continental margin, B. Due to mixing of different water bodies like river in the Sea of Marmara, C. Due to the presence of a strong southwesterly wind in the Sea of Marmara, D. None of the above, E. All of the above. We will be answering this question for you at the end of this video. So, let's start with the location of the Sea of Marmara and the Dardanelles Sea and the other nearby sea which are of importance. So, in this map, this is the Black Sea in the globe. This is Black Sea, this is Aegean Sea, and this is Sea of Marmara, and this is Istanbul. Istanbul is the capital of Turkey. This entire peninsula from this area to this area belongs to Turkey. This region, the region of the northern tip of Turkey, this is the locations of the Dardanelles Strait. This entire map is a enlarged portion of the global map, this part. So this part has been enlarged. So Dardanelles Sea is a part of Turkey. The new version of a Turkish government to overrule importance of the Panama or Suez Canal. Why it is in the news? The Turkey government approved plans to build a shipping canal in Istanbul similar to the Panama or the Suez Canal as an alternative to the Turkey's internationally used strait connecting Asia and Europe. Please have a look at this image. This is Mediterranean Sea and this strait is the Dardanelles Strait. This Dardanelles Strait connects Aegean Sea. Aegean Sea is a part of Mediterranean Sea, and the Sea of Marmara, Sea is Marmara, is a connecting link for the Black Sea and for the Mediterranean Sea. So this strait is the Bosphorus Strait, another important strait that connects the Black Sea and the Sea of Marmara. These all water bodies are important for the mapping point of view. And here, this is the Ionian Sea. Ionian Sea is also a part of Mediterranean Sea. So questions can be framed in this manner, that which of the seas are the part of the Mediterranean Sea? Ionian Sea, Aegean Sea and Sea of Marmara. So somehow these all are the part of the Mediterranean Sea. But Black Sea is not the part of Mediterranean Sea. And this is the location of the Dardanelles Strait. To repeat again, Dardanelles Strait connects the Aegean Sea and the Sea of Marmara. This is the Sea of Marmara. And it is situated between this part of Turkey, it means the European part of Turkey, and this is the Asian part of Turkey. So it is mainly dominated by Turkey and it is a project planned by Turkey. Moving towards another aspects, there are some important facts that you must know about the Dardanelles Sea. Again in the map, this area has been zoomed. This is Aegean Sea and this entire narrow channel is Dardanelles Strait, and this opens up in Sea of Marmara, and this is Turkey. So hope now the location of the Dardanelles Strait is very clear to you and to which water seas they connect. Dardanelles Strait is a narrow minded, it's a natural strait whereas the Suez Canal is not a natural state, it is a man-made state of water, but Dardanelles is a natural state of water and internationally significant waterways in northwestern Turkey. It forms part of the continental boundary between Europe and Asia. Therefore, it connects the continent of Europe and Asia, and that is why it is important for Turkey to generate some economic power as well as the geopolitical power. The Dardanelles connects the Sea of Marmara with the Aegean and the Mediterranean Sea, while also allowing passage to the Black Sea with the extension of the Bosphorus Strait. So these all are the important location: Bosphorus Strait, Aegean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Sea of Marmara. These are important location in connection with the Dardanelles Strait. This is again the geographical location on map. This is Istanbul, the capital of Turkey. This is Sea of Marmara. There is Dardanelles Strait. Here it is in this map enlarged. It's been shown with the red mark. This is Dardanelles Strait. This is Black Sea. Along the Black Sea, these are the important centers in the country location that is there. And again, this is a part of Greece. Aegean Sea divides the Greece and the Turkey. In between Greece and Turkey, there is Aegean Sea, and Aegean Sea is a part of Mediterranean Sea. So these all locations become important for your PT examination. Moving to next important fact about Dardanelles Sea. You must know that the Sea of Marmara has many plate boundaries, and these plate boundaries are the part of Anatolia fault. So it is situated Anatolia front north of the Anatolian fault line, making the border between the Eurasia and Anatolia plate. It is situated near the strait which is prone to earthquake. So in future, the ships which may be crossing on this area can visibly or presently feel the shaking in the sea because of the earthquake present beneath the sea bed. Moving towards the other important factor is that there is rapid surface current from the Sea of the Marmara to the Aegean Sea and a compensatory undercurrent returning more saline water. So here in this image, this is Black Sea. In Black Sea, you can see that there are many circulation of water and there are undercurrents also, opposite current. This is Bosphorus current, Kali Arka current, Sevastopol current, Crimea current, Caucasus current, water grey current. These are one of the current that is present in the Black Sea. This is north of Turkey. And then on the contrary, there is also the many presence of the currents in the Marmara Sea, and these are all the oceanic currents. So via this Dardanelles Strait, the currents of this ocean, that is of Sea of Marmara and Black Sea, gets mixed with each other and they create a compensatory counter current to it. So the surface water in this area is very rapid as well as the voyage. Next on this list is that there are many famous casual stands along the bank, and these are popular tourist centers also. So this is again the Dardanelles. Çanakkale is situated here, Istanbul is situated here. Istanbul, remember the location of Istanbul. Istanbul is just on the tip of the Bosphorus Strait, and this is on the bank of Sea of Marmara. So this is also become an important location with respect of this Dardanelles Strait. The water are rich in various kind of fishes, and that migrates between the Black Sea via the Strait of Bosphorus and the Aegean Sea and the Sea of Marmara through the Dardanelles Strait. So this area is good for the fishing. Some other important facts related with that is that the project will ease shipping traffic and reduce the risk of accident in the Bosphorus Strait. So it will be ultimately lowering down the pressure from the Bosphorus Strait. One of the world's busiest shipping lane which links the Sea of Marmara and the Black Sea. So Bosphorus connects which two sea and the water body? Sea of Marmara to the Black Sea. Keep that in mind. However, the canal will cause profound ecological damage in Istanbul and can exacerbate the danger posed by the earthquake as well, and it is already putting an economic pressure on the already ailing Turkish government. So these are some apprehensions related with the Dardanelles Strait. Another concern related with this place is through the new channel, the Black Sea and the Marmara waters will get mixed. This will have ecological consequences and imperil for an already tenuous water supply and marine life in those areas. Another added problem are the marine mucilage, which spreads in the Sea of Marmara and has recently been observed at the bottom of the Aegean Sea and at the exit of the Dardanelles Strait, and poses a threat for the entry of the small boats along the shoreline of the Dardanelles as well as in the Istanbul. There has been growing environmental concern in Turkey over the accumulation of sea snouts. Sea snouts are a type of marine mucilage, a slimy layer of a grey color or white color green sludge in the country sea, which can cause considerable damage to the marine ecosystem. This is an image of a marine mucilage. All these white bodies that you can see here, you can see how these ships has been trapped into it and they were unable to navigate through it to reach this bank area or the harbor area. So this is an added problem, and these sea musicles are not good for the sea navigation passages, especially for the small boats. Now think that why this sea mucilage or this sea snouts are problematic to the small boats, because when they piled up along the coastline, small boats face problem since they get water near the surface. The mucilage brought with water clogs the water filter and affect the operation of the boat engine. Here in this image you can clearly see that how a small boat has been completely trapped by this sea mucilage. These boats, they are unable to navigate because their boat engine has been tightened up because the water filter stopped working in the influence of sea snouts. So let's have a look. This is another image for the sea snouts along the coast of the Dardanelles. So these are a recent environmental problem also. Sea snout is a marine mucilage that is formed when algae are overloaded with nutrients as a result of water pollution combined with the effect of climate change. It means the warmer climates helps to enrich more nutrients nearby the coastal area, thus the formation of the algae will be more higher and the sea snouts will be more. The nutrients overloaded occurs when algae feast on warm weather caused by the global warming. Water pollution adds on to the problem. Overproduction of phytoplankton caused by climate change and the uncontrolled dumping of household and industrial waste into the sea has led to the present crisis. Now is the answer session. All the question that has been asked to you at the beginning, this is the time to answer this. The first question was Dardanelles Strait connects. You clearly know the answer by now, that the Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Who commands Dardanelles Strait? Turkey is the answer. Bosphorus Strait connects Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. Why sea snout and sea mucilage piled up along the coast of the Sea of Marmara? Because of the strong wind present in the region of the Sea of Marmara. So this is the correct answer. Apart from that, please let us know if you can answer these questions. Can you locate the Strait of Dardanelles on globe and tell us which of the two water bodies are connected by it? How is sea snout posing problem in ocean navigation for small boats in those areas? What are the environmental concerns for Dardanelles Strait? Will Dardanelles Strait benefit Turkey to gain power in connecting Asia and Europe for sea routes trade like Suez Canal did to Egypt? Answer your comments. Thank you for watching. We will be adding up another current topic location in our next video. See you there. Subscribe the Ensemble Ias YouTube channel for your civil service preparation. Namaskar.
To have more such discussions and analysis, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our upcoming videos.